I'm Coach Tammy Lee, and this is Cooking on the Bright Side. Every Friday, I release a new recipe tutorial to help you make healthy food at home to fuel your life. Today, I'm teaching you how to make supercharged coleslaw. This is personally one of my favorites because it is yummers. This recipe is from my ebook, Lean into Fit, which you can find on my website at gofitlife.ca. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get recipes every week. All right, let's get on with it. What you will need: 3 carrots peeled and grated, half a medium red cabbage shredded, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 apple peeled, cored, and grated, 1 cup of cheddar grated, salt and pepper. This recipe serves 6, takes about 20 minutes to prep, and there's no cooking. Yay! You're looking at around 191 calories, 14 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber per serving. Alrighty folks, let's get on with it.